let's start this video off right with the startup. Hi, what's up guys? Today is New Year's Eve. Filling up on gas currently. Gotta get this shit rolling, man. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a new package for the G. This is my little cutting item that I'm gonna use. This shit is sharp. Okay. Open. Damn, I missed. This is hard. I mean, cutting this fucking bullshit. This shit is sharp. Shit hurts. Should be good. Okay, and first off, this is important. Here is my collect disc. Oh shit. Okay. Clutch lining tool and a little pilot bearing, that is. This should be the bearing. Look at this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Alright, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna install the new clutch, but I'm pretty sure it should be kinda soon, due to the fact that my clutch is I want to say it's feeling a little funny at this point. Just don't drop the clutch anymore, Alex. What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the little crackle / pop effect on your G35. Let me just pan over to the rear camera. In temperature, you already know what the deal is. And then you see right here, no markings right there. So right now it's on. You're gonna have to flick it to accessory modes, then back on, then back to on. And without putting any pressure in, you're just gonna lightly flick it this way and that way, like that. Show you, so I don't fuck up the first time. Ah, I fucked up. All right, try two. Ready? Like that. And then don't. Alright, so I recommend you guys don't do this consistently. It could mess up your motor. From what I know is that it dumps a little bit of extra fuel into your cats, and that's why you hear the little pops and bangs and shit. Yeah, that's gonna be all. I'm gonna do some rolling clips in a little bit. I'm gonna go to a closed street. That way you don't hear, that way you can hear it a little bit more, because right here in the open area you won't really hear it. All right, let's go. You hear it every time you let off the throttle. In first gear, you won't hear it until like maybe 3 to 4K in RPMs. You can hardly hear it. You'll be able to hear it more in the close streets. I'll go to the close street right now. And I'll lower the rear window just so you can hear just a little bit more. This one, just dip it down a little bit. And that one too. Okay, so you'll have the full effect. And once you smash on it and change from first to second, you hear it. Take a left. I don't know nothing about these fucking streets. Guys, look at that. Ain't nothing but a little bit of fun, you hear me? And so from right here, I think I took a right. Oh shit. ¿Te llevo para atrás?
Si no, ¿cuál es el chiste?
And I'm almost coming back.
Now it's going. Okay. All right, and that's gonna be all.